We all love cricket stories, don't we? The efforts and the thought behind a great knock, the planning and execution behind a great spell, and whatnot. But if the storyteller is someone who's been there and done that, that just takes the cake. In this special edition of Beyond the Boundary, we chat to Nushin Al Khadir, former India off spinner, about her ODI best of 5 for 40. Tell me, what was the feeling like 6 matches before? It was your sixth ODI. There wasn't too much wickets to show. So what was your mindset heading into this particular game?
I remember it was a rainy day. It was a run curtail game, if I'm not wrong. It was just 34 overs game. If you go, I hope
45,
it's
yeah,
right figures.
45.
Yeah. So what exactly happened was we had a late start. So I remember it was the Lincoln University, and we were just lazing around, and I had a good sleep in the dressing room because मुझे पता था कि मैच थोड़ा लेट होने वाला है. और obviously back of my mind I knew that I was in the 11 because it was just David and me as spinners there, so obviously I would have got that opportunity to play. But उस टाइम पर यही था दिमाग में कि अच्छा करना है. मतलब उतना सोचती नहीं थी मैं when I used to play. Like early days I never thought, and then it was like a dream because I think I got the right end to bowl, and people thought and read me like an off spinner, but I got the end which it was like with the wind, and the ball was drifting, and they were playing for off spin, and they were getting beaten by the drifters. So I would say that it was actually a dream.
So India had kind of won the toss and bowled first. So it was the first choice, so to say. So was it overawing or something, because Lincoln, rains, not subcontinent condition, and a spinner?
I personally didn't have any pressure because on my debut game I had opened bowling for India. That was also a run curtail game, and I remember Tariq Sinha walking up to me and asking me that कि आप एक एंड से ओपन करोगे bowling, और मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा, मैंने बोला हाँ सर मैं कर लूंगी because I just wanted to play, and I remember I did quite well. So New Zealand was not new to me. Like the best part is not to know the conditions and just play because you want to play cricket.
England were they were comfortably placed at 4 for 73, and then you dismissed Laura Newton, and that sort of started the England slide. You and Neetu David applied the brakes. 11 overs, there was no scoring, and then it all fell down. So what was it to kind of run through an England batting lineup in an overseas condition?
Oh, amazing. सच बोलूं तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि उस टाइम पर ये national record था. I had beaten Purnima Chaudhary's record, which she had taken she had got 5 for 26, which I got 5 for 14 at that time. So एक बार when England was all out and they were 84 all out or something, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And when I got back to the pavilion, late Sirupa Bose told me that the secretary wants to talk to you. तो I was wondering कि उन्हें क्यों बात करनी है, अनुराधा दत्त. I said अभी फिर मैंने कुछ कांड कर लिया होगा इसलिए उनको बात करनी होगी. And then she was saying that no, yours is a national record. You have broken Purnima Chaudhary's record. And तभी भी मेरी बत्ती नहीं जली थी. I was just the same. I was like, अच्छा national record है, ठीक है हो जाएगा. But I was thrilled for the fact that now I knew that yes, I have made my place in the squad. That was more important for me to prove. And even during the England series where I didn't get an opportunity, I always kind of knew that I was good enough to play. But हर चीज का time होता है, and I probably got it at the right time, I would say.
Yeah, and these days whenever there's a milestone, जब भी आप गेंदबाज को 5 wickets लेने के बाद बॉल दिखाता है, या बैटर्स तो of course they raise their bat helmet, आपका क्या celebration रहा था?
कुछ नहीं. I didn't know. I didn't know. I just walked off. I was too happy because पता है seriously उस time पर कैसे होता था कि अगर आपकी पहले bowling हो जा रही है तो फिर आपको आराम से lunch मिलेगा, आप आराम से खा सकते हो. And 86 is a good score where the bowlers can relax and have a good lunch. So that way I was I've been very frank. This is how it was. David and me always preferred bowling first because we could have good lunch. In fact, it was Sirupa ma'am who said कि you need to go and pick up the ball. उस time पर इतना होता भी नहीं था कि आप you get a 5-wicket haul and then a bowler has to pick up the ball or something. मुझे idea नहीं था, maybe होता था पर मुझे नहीं पता था. And when she told me, then that's when I went and picked up the ball, and I still have it with me.
Oh.
So that was one thing, and that has been very dear to me. Like that match has been very close to my heart because it actually showed me a way that I'm good enough. It's worth being there for the Indian team.
Finally, there was a phase where India lost a couple of back-to-back wickets. तब क्या आपको लगा था कि you might have to pad up and go into the middle to finish the chase?
No, we had Miss Dependable, Mithali Raj, so not a problem at all.
18 years is a long time, but you kind of remember it like it happened yesterday. So of course it's special, but credit to your memory as well.
I have a few things. It is just that somebody has to remind me कि ये साल आपने क्या किया था, and everything flashes back because I feel that I have cherished every moment when I have represented the country. It has been I would say a very proud moment every time I have visited or represented India. So you ask me how my journey has been from my under 16 days till the time I retired. It's very, very clear. Very, very clear.
Wow. Amazing. That's lovely to know. Thanks for
I don't remember the dates.
Yeah,
I don't remember the dates. Okay. But you have reminded me, and thank you very much for that.